One day, I walked out my back door and stepped into suburban homesteading. I'm sharing my challenges and victories on a channel that promotes the good in life, health, healing, and sustainable living. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tuesday's Child. Oh, and share with your friends. Phase 1, we relocated all of the grow bags and containers and fruit trees. That was phase 1. Well, the garden has officially gone to the birds, literally. I donated what was growing in here to a fellow friend that had some chickens because some of it was struggling, a lot of it was doing well, most of it had gone to seed, and I'm just going to start over. New design, new ideas, fresh start. Okay, let's take a look at phase 2. They brought in more leveling sand today. That is 10 loads. And over here we have 5.5 loads. We moved the container, the grow bag area. And here we have what's left of this garden plot. We moved the salad bowl out of the way and put the bricks over here. We'll repurpose those later. That's phase 2. And when this is done, tomorrow they come and level the ground and it is on and popping. Side note, you really don't need a lot of space to grow a lot. I have 3 pieces of plywood. Each piece is 5 by 7. And I have fruit trees growing, an assortment of all kinds of vegetables growing just in this little area. And if I was growing vertically in towers, I could get even more. All you need is a little determination and desire.